Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this sample provided by Naima, and they are reusable kitchen cloths. So this is how they look. There are 4 cloths in here. They have, mine are white and gray with different designs. So you're going to use them at the same as a paper towel to clean messes. And all you want to do is put them through water, wet them with water, put a cleaning solution, and wipe the area that needs cleaning. Also, you can put them in the dishwasher to clean, or you can clean them with soap and water and just hang it to dry. Don't use anything sharp on them. And they are great because instead of using paper towel and getting more and more paper towel, you can just use this, and it's very absorbent. I like the designs. They're going to make your kitchen look pretty, and you have a pack of 4 to replace them when you need to. I hope you enjoy my video and you like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching.